Hi there, welcome to JD Answers. Today I'll be going over the Byakov dash camera. First, I want to thank you for supporting this channel by subscribing below, hitting all notifications, and thank you for your thumbs up. If you are interested in any of these products, I listed the Amazon links for you in the description down below. First, what's in the box? Byakov dash camera, car charger, micro USB cable, adjustable mount, crowbar, and the manuals. The dash camera doesn't come with a micro SD card. A class 10 micro SD card is needed to record. The maximum storage the dash cam could use is a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. I also provided links for the micro SD cards in the description down below. The dash cam comes with the 1.5 LCD screen. You can barely see what's on the screen compared to other larger dash cam screens. I personally turn mine off anyway because I don't want to interfere with my driving. The dash cam can record up to a 1080p video resolution. The dash cam also has an ultra-wide viewing of 170 degrees recording. The dash cam can record in continuous loops of 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5-minute loops. The continuous loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest footage, eliminating the trouble manually deleting the video. The dash cam also comes with G-sensor. When a shake or collision is detected, the dash cam would automatically lock the video and would not be overridden. This is great because you can use this video as evidence with your insurance claims. We all see those accidents out there, and this will help you with that. The dash camera comes with 24-hour parking monitoring. The dash cam will automatically turn on and start recording if your car gets hit in a parking lot. This provides your car with 24-hour parking protection. The built-in sensitive G-sensor won't overwrite the current video once detecting a sudden shake or collision. You could also select your dash cam to record audio inside your vehicle. This is a great feature. In case you're in a collision, it can record the audio around your vehicle, which is great for insurance claims. The dash camera also has several modes that you could take a video with, take a picture, or you could simply review your videos or pictures. The dash cam also comes with a license plate feature where you can insert your license plate into the dash camera. So as you review your footage, you can see your license plate in the video. Now this is great when you're reviewing more than one dash camera, so you know exactly which footage you're looking at. Okay, now let's see how this dash camera really looks on the road. I'll be showing you some video clips, some short video clips on my drive on a daytime and a nighttime, so you can see the realistic view of how it looks on the streets and how it records. Is this the right dash camera for you? If it is, I included the Amazon links for you in the description down below. Do you need more information? Visit my channel and you can see the installation for this camera. Or you could also select a video of additional 5-minute driving scenes using this camera. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.